and ngathi futhi nangisesela Swatini ngisabuka le script ngithi kuyabhala ukuthi somhlulu ukhuluma naZwide nabani yabo and Zwide ngiyamathi Zwide wise man ngathi I role model yami ngifakwa nguye acting nje ukuthi vele ngifisa one day kufana nalamjita nangu even bengitshela ngisho amajita ami ngithi one day mina ngiyongena kusethi naWise Man angeke ngize ngishuthe isithombe naWise Man mangoze nekho elilokishi like bantu bakhona badume kabi vele ukuthi kuyagangwa like mantombazane kuyalalwana nje vele kwentiwa tonke letinto letimbi nje tilapha so nakuphuma nje lo muntu lona lokuthiwa nje lona uphuma emangozeni but so lapha ku endlini letinkulu ma big screens lo muntu uqhamuka emangozeni lo say eish abakuthathi abantu na serious ababelieve ukuthi ekuse so mina lokho kwangida ngabona ukuthi la uqhamuka khona akusho ukuthi uqhamukaphi indlela ukuthi uyaphi kahle la kumele khona.
Superstar Rockstar Level Bafethu, come back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafethu, if you haven't subscribed, now subscribe. Bafethu, now subscribe. Make sure you pause this video, pause that video right now. Subscribe, hit the notification button, comment. Most importantly, share this video. Bafethu, share this video to everyone. Bachele, what's the biggest YouTube channel? Iphakathi Inside. We're back in the building. Njengenjwayelo Bafethu, we're out here. Eclair Store. Bafethu is doing it big for the culture. As you can see behind us, local brands only. Bafethu, Shai played out. Namhlana indigenous Africa. Gonya lana guys kunabo vintage yonke into ikhona la eClear Store. Make sure you come check us out phinze make sure ukuthi social media lapha Instagram sizatholakala, TikTok satholakala, Facebook satholakala, inombolo yethu futhi khona yonke lenzawo bafethu la kamanzi nje no bear indase bosalisian bafethu but no share inombolo fike nje to check out yini info ongayithanza bafethu phakathi Inside in the building bafethu. Shout out to everyone that's out here that's been supporting us from day one. Kule channel akhona amajita kunabo Khetho kunabo Biggie kunabo MK yonke into siyabuya namhlanje studio ku busy but this guest that I have right now bafethu hey guest ethatha indondo kakhulu ehambe ayomelela live emaveni bafethu sayibona kubo ma high production bafethu bengadlala lapha guys, the highest production to ever come out in angathi neuzindawo scene in South Africa bafethu endlabe inkulu ngayo involve abantu laba setulu kakhulu but utasitshela manje simbonile lapha rubbing shoulders with bonomzamo Mbatha lapha bo Wise Man Mncube. Hey bafethu big bafethu. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this guy beka act lapha ayingosi somhlolo asimelele simaswati lapha kushaka ilembe. If you know what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ayanda Kininza. Izandla chance. Izandla. Yabona kushabekela la.
Hayi kakhulu ba. Hayi manene.
Phela unolimele live wena. Ufuna basithayile tandla noma ngabe kuthiwani but simvuma yabona uma ufuna kuthiwa noma ngamdlela umona but ayisipani nakashaya
nashayile akavuma
ayisakuvuma sina to ayisakuvuma
bonga mina banele kubonga mina next nje ube nami namuhla hayi kusho lokukhulu kimi sho kakhulu
no siyabonga bhuti sewubonile umsebenzi wakho lapha kushaka ilembe even though mina ngithi ukukhulumela mina ngekho that consistent but elivelile ngangibona ukuthi hey emaswati amelelwe lapha. How have you been? How are you still taking it in? Kabanjani? Tell us.
Eish. Yeah, kuna kube intfolo enkulu kimi. Even nale support lengitholile ebantwini bo social media yangithusa nami even kwamanje nje angibelieve ukuthi ngimlolo lapha kushaka ilembe so kusho lokukhulu kakhulu kimi le support langikhombise yona emaswati lapha kushaka ilembe so
and ubuye phela udlala na any role uya king
inkosi and uyabona inkosi wonke umuntu ufocusa kuyo nje inkosi ukuthi okay bani inkosi sitawubuka ukuthi vele udlala le nkosi yini uyabona because irole yenkosi
but take us through the preparations. We will get straight into it before sibuya ukuthi how has it been life preparing for the role and all that. Sina uva ukuthi go prepare for the role. What did you do? But when njani?
Okay, go prepare for le role. I know ngalungisa kakhulu because kokucala nje bengicala kudlala irole enkulu kanjena yekuba inkosi uyabona. So ngahamba nami ngayo consulta lapha nalapha wekucala nje ngaconsulta kuye madalatala libekadlala madalatala kuba kangwane Samukelo Dlamini yes because wadlala uyinkosi ngomngane nami ngakuye ngathi kuseja yami ngithola irole lapha kushaka ilembe wathi kuse Ngiyakuthemba unantwana uthi ayishayile ngathi shekse manje angizange sengidlale inkosi even ngisho ku theater angizange nje inangenkosi. Hayi ngahlala naye wangitshela wangithiphisa lapha nalapha ukuthi na udlala irole yenkosi yini kumele kucine kuwe uyabona. Ukukhuluma kwakho kumele kuhluke kunekukhuluma kwaAyanda yabo because lapha soyinkosi like uyacommanda. Phinze ke kulandzela ukuthi inkosi somhlulu yayiphila njani. Just nje kubuka ukuthi ngithola i-character yakhe King Somhlobo ngahamba ngalapha kuphi lapha ma-archives yes kubabeli lethumusa Simelane wakwenta nje podcast
Shout out to
Hey wangisita kakhulu shout out to you Mr Simelane hey wangisita kakhulu Mnguni ngangena sahlala phasi wangilandzisa ngenkosi somhlolo bengumuntu le kanjena hayi kanjena i-character yayo bengumuntu lo kanjani so wangisita nami ukuthi nangihamba lapha ngeportray lo muntu ngathi ukuthi ngidlala umuntu lo kanjani yabo so wangisita kakhulu lapho ekona ngalungisa ngifuna icambe emanga hayi ngale.
But guys, let's take it back. Caster ucasta njani uLswati guys, how do you from the streets of Eswatini to Shaka-ilembe, how does it happen? Do you audition online? Do you go to South Africa auditions? But pick kanjani from bantu labangaka?
Oh, sa audition kwaphuma inanjanisa sahamba sa audition abeka lapha auditions eMbabane esikoleni seSt Maxine. Yes, so kwaphuma nje call sheet lapho kuthi kuse auditioning lapha ke auditionwa sahamba nga-auditiona because beku-auditionwa like it's Saturday na Sunday. So mina ngaya Saturday mina nga-audition besibaningi inqumbe bebantu bebabulala inyoka lapha besibaningi lapha. Wasa nga-auditiona nami njenga wonke umuntu weza audition then ngahlala ngathi kuhamba liviki bangishayela ngireceive call ku Makhanya but angishayelwa ngwe because le studio sakhe lebesi yes sendalena nangireceive call Mr Makhanya ngishayelwa ngichoice la sebenza naye uyangitshela ukuthi manje hayi ngina ngijanisile for i-second round siyoshaya ama-auditions i-final audition manje lapha but eJohannesburg lapho yo engathi ye and bekuqala mina nje cross angiphumela kangwane ngacala ngale ama-auditions eShaka-ilembe ukuthi sengoshaya i-final audition eJohannesburg angilalanga ngifuna icambe emanga abaningi. And kulo mzuzu ne-passport bengide but i-passport angathi ngafostwa yini ukuthi kuse yakhe i-passport ngaJanuary ngayakha ngadindi yangifosta ngayakha nje January i-passport kanti bakutshela kula ma-audition akangishala shows ukuthi siyahamba kusasa mina uyolalela eMbabane ngilamalikhenzi nemngane wami luhlala eMbabane thami ngifike ngilala kuni asivuke ekseni siyahamba vele ngithe kwangisita kwakhe i-passport bengitayakha nje nyalo ukuthi siyohamba kusasa phela ukuthi iJoy nasifika khona eSouth Africa singene hayi sibone lo Mr Engas lapha abo director labakhulu lapha ngithi Mr Gibson
uvukela umalambani
live hayi singene nawangene kushe bangibide ngiqoke lapha ngishaye hayi avume Mr Gibson athi no intwana uyagodi
Gibson himself
athi uyagodi Mr Gibson ngatshela ukuthi kuse maybe phela uyabona uyakudududa yabona ama-auditions ba-actors bakutshela ukuthi uyishayile ngisho ngayishaya so hayi bakudududa ngitshela ngiphize ngithi hayi man but lo because even bese sidla lapha wafika wathi no man you are good ngathi hayi man uyabona noma ngabe uyangidududa why busy atongitshela ukuthi no we are good intwana hayi ngatshela ukuthi okay hayi ngihlabile it is or it is nabangithatha nabangangithatha bangithatha ngabuya eSwatini
hayi mfana wasinacetha kuba audition wasubulana elipalishi la khona
phela vele awubekusediwe lapho ngithi awukeke alithi lingishayile ngive nami ngikhona kube khona nami ngihambe nawo lapho so ngabuya eSwatini hayi nasebangitshela ke bathi no ntwana futhi lapho audition bengathi audition la i-character yenkosi bengithi nje audition nje hayi nabangitshela ukuthi intwana uyitholile i-character and uyodlala inkosi somhlolo yo I couldn't believe ukuthi mine ngidlala inkosi yish angilalanga ngifuna icambe emanga angilalanga ngifuna icambe emanga angilalanga.
Who are you telling at this time? Utshela bani wendani ushayela girlfriend?
Hayi. Okay, bathi nabangitshela. Benginemngane Mvusilanga. Lesiphusha naye iMangobe director waMangobe. Ayingamtshela kuse nje ambangithethe kunangi kuse. and naye wangijabulela ngalenye indlela because le nto sayicala naye sisashaya kwe-comedy form 1 so sisashaya i-comedy sithi siyimongobe production sing-3 ngumvusi ngumaphosa nomjito wami
Except this guy, the way he's even talking is not a king, bro. Ungangicabanga ukuthi i-comedian.
Engiyakutshela eshe kusangilalanga ekuse and Phinza angibelievanga ukuthi hayi man uthi labantu bangibone kahle ukuthi ngingibani lena kusebatangeni inkosi
Yes.
ngithi hayi man labantu bangibone kahle kumina nje yabona angicabanga angizange ngishona ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngokungidlalina ngenkosi
Anama ngicabanga ucabanga njani. Ayikabi nje ama.
hayi nawa akusona nama ngizange sengicabanga ekuse mina ngodlalina i-role ekuba inkosi hayi Wothi plan vele ngathi ngihamba ngalungisa bangisendela script ngalungisa engathi nangibona lapha ukuthi ngiyongena nabani but ayangafiki lapho
Stangena lapho. But let's take it back right now, my brother. Sibisele emva kancane ukuthi ayanda ungibani uqala wapi and uqala nini lo actor kube kuyinfo lengekho fashionable ngidasho kanjalo la kaNgwane akusinfo lesifamily ngayo la kaNgwane ukuthi kube ne-acting and all of that.
Okay asi
Thatha isipho. Shout out to Sposito by the way. Sposito nguye lo make sure guys ukuthi ngiyalithola lelitsha and wa make sure ukuthi akugcini lapho ngiyambuta ukuthi yini enye into efanele sithinise kito because guys we don't have to miss kuma tinfo njengale ngoba hey ama episodes lamakhulu la ngalesi wa cherishako nathi
hey yakhe angibuyele kulombuto wakho ukuthi anda ngibani uhlala phi ucale nini actor okay mina ayanda angumfana nje lokhulele elokishini Malkeni Mangozeni khulele elokishini Mangozeni la Mangozeni angathi if uyathi Mangozeni ukuthi indzawo le na uyicabanga nje ukuthi indzawo le kanjani uyathi Mangozeni wakweva ngeMangozeni manje awathi asengidaklebela sonenhlanhla Mangozeni ekho lilokishi like bantu bakhona badume kabi vele ukuthi kuyagangwa like emantombazane kuyalalwana nje vele kwentiwa tonke letinto letimbi nje tilapha so nakuphuma nje lo muntu lona lokuthiwa nje lona uphuma eMangozeni but so lapha ku endlini letinkulu ma big screens lo muntu uqhamuka eMangozeni lo say abakuthathi abantu na serious ababelieve ukuthi ekuse so mina lokho kwangida ngabona ukuthi la uqhamuka khona akusho ukuthi uqhamukaphi indlela ukuthi uyapi kahle la kumele khona ungena noma beyini noma buphuma kuphi because eMangozeni indzawo lethathekileka phansi indzawo letselelekile na ukhuluma nje abantu nisemne ngiqhamuke eMangozeni especially nje na approach emajeri thamni sengihlala eMangozeni ethi hey uhlala lapho so yabona mina kuyangijabulisa ukuthi ngiphume khona lapha lekwenzawo labayidzelelako letselelekile ngaphuma ngayomela live so kungenda ngijabule kakhulu lokho and ke ku-actor actor ngucala ka form 1 actor but besidlalela sento emakhomeki sithi sishaya i-comedy yabo sendalo kwanalokwa yabo lengacala ukuthatha khona serious ka form 3 cala ka form 3 ke lapho sithuthela lenye info nje ngelicingo kuyona le Mangobe production yethu yasungulwa ngithi vele asungulwa bese ngiforce isungula Mangobe production hawu siya actor sishuthe ama sketch isiwe vekasi siba ukukhuluma babo hey sibonile kuse hey info leni indawo lapha nenda kanje yabo sikacala kuyabuild and ukuthi kuse short leni bese indawo iyaphila so sashaya ngathi ngangena kubekezela khona lenye isophile bedlala ka indele channel lesi bekezela ngangena kabekezela ngeva ngathi hayi yabo nami sengisezingeni ke manje nasengene kabekezela yabo sengivela ku-TV ngike ngivine abantu badibana hawu yewona athi siyakubona kuphi kwabekezela hayi yaphusha hayi bekezela yaphela emoyeni saqhubekela sathuthela ama-video ethu ama-short films zethu sifakela ka-YouTube saphusha ngathi nangiphuma ka form 5 ngathola ke ngangena kuba kaNgwane ke lapho form 5 ngabona ke lapho ngile ngacala khona kuyithatha serious ke lapho ukuthi ekuse because bakaNgwane bangicasta mina ngithi okay shothi ikhona lento I'm capable of doing le nto lena mina so angiqineke kakhulu because vele into lengiyithanza
ayisoba kaNgwane kepha buyini kuba kaNgwane what was your character lapha irole yakho buyini
bakangwane bengidlala i-character yamthonga bhutwa Mswati wekucala but ukuthi thina sengavele yabo kwaqala ku-showcase-wa le ya so angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngale cause sengavele
the exclusive.
yabo
Okay, cool. So now, what's the role? What's the thing that happens now? Nanfika le senyabitwa manje usenyo actor. Ne? Sekuthiwa okay siyaqala kushootha ngiyabhekisa Monday.
yeah
It's in the plan. Take us through the journey. Are you sleeping at a hotel? Outfits?
okay
Payments, most importantly, because leyo impoka kakhulu ngalokuthi we've experienced bekunagedlembane kuyisitha kwawathuma naye ukuthi isitha indzaba
Yes.
demafanzi
Yeah.
ngoba nawa Big Brother zuka ngendzaba ya 700 for irole.
Yeah.
So wena uka exploiteke ini wena nangabe kukhona lokho sikuve straight from wena. But asiqale ngale ukuthi naku nyawo senyoshutha.
sesiyoshootha
How is the production? Professional compared to like and all of that.
lakha lapha professionalism isetulu kakhulu lapha ngiyaqala ngithi nasuka la yabona suka la bekunethi imoto lesuka iyokulanza ekhaya la uhlala khona ikuthathe yokubeka e-airport
You flew?
Yeah. Sahamba fast nasoshaya auditions kuphela but nasishutha wabesambe eTuri. Wabesambe eTuri. So lapho iMakhanya University bengiko lele sothalo ku transport kusuka la sihlala khona uyosibeka e-airport yes bo Mr Makhanya sesandile Makhanya bo Choice na the other girl. So kugibela indiza nje
Nibanga kile like from Eswatini lenyale nawukhumbula.
Okay okay it was me Sikhanyiso lebekadlala Hletshiwe make Sethabile lebekadlala Indlovukazi nababe Magagula lo yababukisa foundation yes bese kuba na Alex Fakutse bese kuba nalomnyimake lebekahlabela yabo nje le na iveta lenangi lethi Kangwane lo mvalelo uhlabelako le background leyo na ungena lebo yebo bengalomake leyo beka uhlabela lengoma leto ukuthi na kungena Kangwane then kwaphuma ibhasi yini yathatha emantombazane for umhlanga nemajita abashasibhaca so
Yo,
but bona bahamba bodwa thina lesagibela indiza ngila bobabe Magagula nababe Fakutse nami nasikhanyiso namake Setha namake lohlabelayo sihambeke hayi sigibela indiza sindize ke first time
shout out to them also guys. Shout out to them also. Now you know what Taufika la hlelweni one of these days but
Yeah,
still
one
sabo
day.
yeah for sure Ncesi qhubeka.
I know
So
gibela
total
indiza
indiza.
hayi ndiza phela yebeqala gibela indiza angena endizeni vele kuse hayi ngihambe ngendiza vele ngithiwa ngicheck up asemafu kuse ngiyabona phansi ngithi okay ayisifike lena asithathe lena kunemoto lebese isivele isimele e-airport from yakabomb lapha sithathe ihambe isibeka ehotela la basithele khona sihlale khona vele then kusasa ekseni kuba nema-call sheet yabo ukuthi ekseni sinithatha ngabani sihamba siyakusethi and stuff yabo lento le kufike nalapho basithatha nasifika lena sinema akubida ngani letinto ngathi ma trailer sort of yakho nje ukuthi kuhlala wena lana ukhanza i-costume yakho kunetafula lakho nesitulo nesibuko ne-TV ne-fridge nembhesi kwakho nje kubhaliwe nje lamnyango nje ukuthi Geninza King Somhlolo kwakho nje kufise ungena nje lapho uhlala ungcebeleke lofuna wena ukuthola lapho ngithi hey hayi professional kakhulu
Awumjita wasekasi uzocabanga kufasa khona.
Yeah, susekasi la. Hayi nalo masiphandla so yeah professional kakhulu lapha so nami namanje nje ngiyalibonga lelithuba lele ngalithola kuhamba nje ngiyobuka into leti nje yabo ukuthi one day nami ngiyafisa ukuthi le tinto lethu tigcine tivela tigcine tifike nalakhaya yabona nalakhaya sigcine sifike kuleli zinga lelo ngile ngufisa kakhulu each and every day ngilokuthandazela ukuthi nalakhaya sigcine sesifikile kulela zinga.
But sister ungena kulokuthi yini lalo vanga ngathi sifuna siyilungise nasilakhaze sifike lezinga amathi into efuna sithi thinze. Sesachubeka manje kuloba professional kwabo sokuthinzile ukuthi ine trailer and all of that. Kuba professional lati imbasheni hamba njani? Wasubheka phansi.
Hayi timbasha tenvutsa uyathi atishaka straight timbasha tenvutsa but nje no hayi timbasha tinhle kakhulu asajabula kakhulu timbasheni tinhle kakhulu
manje how many scenes noma how many
calls
how many calls did you have bakubita kangakho on set?
Mina ngaba na 3 calls because bengasiyo lo uvela kangako lapha yabona because story kahle sakithi ngathi besifocus ku my sister lo sisi wami lapha hletshiwe because yangwile kwaba nema calls mina ngaba na 3 calls but yeah kulo 3 calls lo engajabula kakhulu nganentiseka ke yonke into vele bengifisa.
Hey. I say ngiyavakala. So now my highlights, take us to the highlights now. So lapha ubona bobani kwendekana you able to build relationships bobani le abantu babona ngongekho babona umzama mbathe with the wise men balapha everyone was there.
Yeah.
And le lokuba lokuthi kusinke ina ukuthi you know what, because we suffer from that as people.
Yeah.
I'll make an example ngami ukuthi maybe when I'm interviewing someone you feel like this person awudeserve kubacenga kwakhe ngathi uncane naye imkhulu yena ngani phela lapha nanifika niyalingana lapha
once naba lapha vele niyalingana
exactly because now you deserve lokuba lapha.
Yeah.
So now take us through ukuthi ubona bobani and how are you feeling, are you able to talk, are you
Okay nangifika lena ngikhumbula ngishutha isini yami ecala nje ngilapha ngiannounce khona ukuthi hey Hletshiwe utawushada kumntwana Zwide mina ngithatha umntwana Zwide. That was my first scene lengaqhamuka lengaqala ngayo kuyishutha la.
and Zwide udlalwa ngibani
Wise man. Hey. And ngathi futhi nangisesela Swatini ngisabuka le script anti kuyabhala ukuthi somhlulu ukhuluma na Zwide nabani yabo. And Zwide ngiyamathi Zwide wise man. Wise man ngathi i-role model yami ngifakwa nguye acting nje ukuthi vele ngifisa one day kufana nalamjita nangu even bengitshela ngisho amajita ami ngithi one day mina ngiyongena kuset na Wise Man angeke ngize ngishuthe isithombe na Wise Man ngiyongena na kuset.
Hayi.
Unfortunately lenvo yenteka nje njengekhuluma kwami even namanje asho kuseyona ngaye kuseyaloya wena kahle wena ukhuluma info yenteka ha nangishutha ke kwezi wafika late Wise Man bese sivele thina sishoot athini baqala nge-close up yami yabo ngishaya ama-lines yami ngithi sekuyakhatha lapha yaqhamuka Wise Man ufika late lapho uqhamuka ngithi nangibuka lapho ngithi hayibo hayi ngathi ngiyabhutha Wise Man phela lo ngiva ngathi lo muntu ukathe vele solo ngabanayo yabona uyaqhamuka lapha ngithi madoda Wise Man mina manje ngokukhuluma nale out leni kuse lo mjita ngibukwe kuye everything vele ngifish angathi ngingathini kuse yafika Wise Man ahlala yasivusele yawokushanga le voice yawo uthi ngithi hayi vume ngithi hayi sure I will shoot. And yabona ngathi la kuwo uba ngathi uva ngathi lo muntu lona mkhulu kunami lo muntu like uyakusinza lo muntu man utiva umncane kanti phela script lapha ngithi sithi basuke lekibo ubona kandwandwe beta kangwane so nguwe kumele vele ube mkhulu bete kuwe kusesigodlweni sakho la but deep down ngiyasho ukuthi ekuse lo mjita lona phela mina like mina nje kuye nje angathi ngathi ngini so wazi wangitshela Mr Engars director Mr Engars but wathi no be busy nje apho ngitshela ukuthi hayi angibe yabo ngibe nalokuthi phela ngiyinkosi yabo because sometimes bese sengiyedla phela isibhizi ngithi athi hayi ube yinkosi wena lana kakho lana yabona uyinkosi like busa so yeah but mina ngithi ngitshela kuthi lo mjita wami
from Mango to be a king wala
yeah so vele yakuzange kubalula ayakuzange kubalula ngena nemuntu lobuke kuye uva ngathi vele
do you feel like you killed that road ukuthi ngenda sometimes usibani funa sebakubukela inaso tibukela uva ngathi I could have done better. Do you feel like
mina ngasebenda because nebantu umsebenzi bawudumisa bathi muhle so nakujabule bantu jabula mina.
Siyabonga my brother. Mina I'll tell you this my brother, for someone lochamuke la ekhaya awuwathi lama heavy production
yeah
nale acting kwakhona la ekhaya info lesisangayati kahle
ngane kancane
ayi usimelele mnethu
hayi ngiyabona
usimelele mnethu you did your thing and sine singwase story we are all about giving you flowers ungumuntu ukuthi sine siyakubona even if abantu banga-actor ngathi abakuboni sine siyakubona and we call you here so you come you share your story to the people so that maybe umotivate nalabanye labafisa ukuthi bangenta the thing for even maybe even better when you
better yeah
you see so siyabonga kakhulu mnethu to share around so like with moving forward bathini bayakubita yini manje
next season 3
season 3 is coming bakuthembisani lamanye amakholi kepha kuthiwa yini amakholi bani le mali unakubita yini
le nobanile manje
na manje le call uthi tewe kuthiwa
shite nemakholi no call sheet nani yini le ufuna ke
nabakubita utoshutha phela kusini kepha what's that money call
ukuthi ubhala phe call
yes lo phe call you call it a call yes bathi mangake ma call this time probably the more the calls the more the coins
yebo phela usongevele sifisa lo ukuthi ema calls abe maningi into khona le mali ukuthi gaga fathi ke
but isikhanyiso is killing it
ayo isikhanyiso basebenza kakhulu abasikhanyiso wasimelela kakhulu isikhanyiso wasimelela kakhulu isikhanyiso hayi kakhulu bana make sethabile no kahle kahle sasebenza man kakhulu man sasebenza kakhulu
but since season 3
season 3 man angathi bani angifuni kusho ukuthi angathi ngiyafisa wona ukuthi bangibite season 3 but angathi ukuthi koza akusini lobhalako bayathi babhali bo writer ukuthi vele kuhamba njani but nje asathi sibuke khona ukuthi basibite
guys basakhuluma
hayi kukhuluma bani
no problem guys nasobukela le video azafika la please make sure you pause this video subscribe hit the notification button most importantly share le video bafethu lokho subscribe akasita lokuthi le top channel iyakhula nale Rockstar family iyakhula we still charity clear store we are doing it big for the culture machita khona la kuna Khetho kuna Biggie MK ne oh namhla siphelele guys phethene ngosi sibuzisekile
Yembala
so my brother nyalo na ubuya ekhaya how are you like lengcondo angizivele say so yathi ukuthi yesterday's prize not today's prize
yeah
how are you feeling manje because phela reality sayiphelile phela production sengibuyele emangoze
yeah
and emangoze now nabakubona ku TV ba expect M4
bathi ayunemali umjito
it's reality bro bana basibona ku TV ba expect imali
yeah.
So ikhona in pressure it can be good or bad lo vangazi uthi kuba kushaka ilembe kukulethele kona and what is it also lesingayenda nathi as emaswati kuprotecta nyalo in terms of indlela lo charge ngayo nekuthi so i national asset kuphela nyalo so i national assets nyalo so asiqale ngepressure good or bad nekuthi tikhona indlela lesingadenda noma like indlela lesingayenda to protect you as our national asset ukuthi iprice yakho in terms of pricing compared to la ekhaya nangale it's making sense
yeah okay asengiqale ngala ekhaya bu pressure and stuff okay ngithi ngathi nangibuya ngalana yazi okay ishaka nayidlala cause nangibuya kucala phela last year ngisashutha last year bebangadi lutho bekwathi nje lapho labasunzi nami bangani bami and stuff bebangani so yathi nayiphuma ishaka bengasakhona nekhamba kahle yabona lapha emangozini ayikuse sikubonile kushaka even namanje eksele imali eshaka sidla ni mbothi imali eshaka sangayithola last year sonkhana ungibutanyalo kathi imali phelile ekuse imali eshaka even nje kukhona nini man angathi bengiyaphi man like bengibuye esitolo ngithenge isingwe yabona ukuthi inkolo kubhoka khona la sitolo ekusewona ngeke udle lesingwa lesi ekusewubune imali thenga singwa sabo SUB no babo Mr so yabona lenvo le incumbi yetindvu nje ukuthi yabona uliselebu yabona ngibathe eksemajita mina ngisilo uliselebu ukuthi nje ngivele kushaka ilimbi so then volele okunye like kuyanyanyisa lokunye mani ngase ngibeka kanjalo ba because amajita ayakhuluma nje sinoma kanti endivakathi kuse iyangigcina lento yonke into sewubonako hey wena celebrate njani ngithi hayi nana ngisile celebrate bese ke bakhona laba hayi no laba shem laba appreciate umsebenzi bathi hayi no asisebenzela siyabonga bakudumisele yabona kahle ngokukhuluma kahle yabo bathi badlale celebrity ngiunderstand kuyadlalwa yabo ilabanye bese
ba celebrate la ngwane kahle
la kangwana la kangwana ngathi man sithathelana password man la ngwane because phela umuntu ufuna ngathi wena banele ul celebrate angisuyathi angisi celebrate mina kahle kahle uzama lo muntu ngathi uyakugcelela kahle kahle ufuna ukubona ukuthi awendani so uyaqala ukuthi okay ya ngil celebrate so phinzi uyakhuleke kude wona celebrate ihlala emangozeni wena iphi imoto bathi iphi imoto ngithi awukwahleni sengathi imoto ngicala necala lana ngitholene nang phela ngibele kunami ngibheke emzini phela ngilungise endlini ngiyose ngithenga imoto yonke into bese bayakujudge hey yini so ngithi hey lokho kungigcinile vele yabona eyinani dinvo vele tingcinamba tendlela leto si understand but nje
but yini le ufuna siyipolishe ku-production kuma-movie wena sohambile kenyalo so exposed wena yini lo vane siyayilekha nathi ukuthi sifike lapho ukuthi sihlonipheke ngemsebenzi wethu esiphila ngoba ngeke sibe bodokotela sonke angeke size sibe bothishela sonke angeke size sibe ma-pilot sonke you see what I mean wena sinkwasakho lesi the fact that you're an actor and you're good at it, there's no other thing that it's proven or convinced that you've proven us. But now, so protected kanjani kulen for long iyo kuthi ugcobekele stembu kuthi no Ayanda is an actor and is good at it yini lo silekha ukuthi maybe lo ifundzile na kulamanye emave la itfola ko maybe bo wise men abekhona kashane bakhona la
Jobushito ukuthi nyalo i-acting mina sekumele sengiyinto sinkwasami vele because indvo nami lengikuthi kiyo yabo and kumele vele ngiphile ngayo lento le so kwecala nje ukuthi uunderstand angisho ukuthi hey bantu basibafakela ipressure ukuthi basibhadale and stuff kwecala lokho now sibida now understand phela ukuthi lento siphila ngayo le sidinga something nathi kwesami ukuthi sibuye nako ekhaya yabo sibeke etafuleni kwecala lokuthi ama production athi ukuthi nathi khona lesukuthenga kona kuyakhulunyiswana man because vela ngwane singakhulumisa nkosi angwane kusede man tinto letingako vele sonke sidonsa ngadeke siyakhulumisana understandana nale support man siyayidzinga man angathi singaze sinqonqa ukuthi kubani support ngithi siyifuna kubani angathi but nje support siyayicela ngaphela uyabona nje kulomnyaka lo uphelele umnyaka gonqula kangwane kude ngisho linye film lesilakhile film nje lelikhulu la kangwane kusho ukuthini lokho kithi thina lesiphila ngayo lento leni kusho ukuthi siyahlala siyarusa lapho asende lutho uyabo so siyafisa ukuthi mani singabukeleleka mani ngalana kule industry yethu mani yaka acting kakhulu sisupportwe kakhulu banile lapho manish leli lo ngathi lingahamba mani lifike kulo muntu loyo lo responsible kule tinto angadi ngibani but nje ngiyasho angadi namuthi ngibani
inkosi awasafuna kuvakasha khuluma inkosi
angadi ngithi ngibani but nje kuthi mani lama project mani siyawathinga mani at least inye lenkulu nje ngeminyaka uyabona nathi bathe khona kusibona because nawubuka eSouth Africa mina vele ngibuka kakhulu eSouth Africa because tinto le yona isembili nginathi ngikopha khona ngale ngiyabuka nje eSouth Africa ukuthi mangakhi emanangijanisa lashuthiwe kulomnyaka in terms of emasoaphi ma series tinto nje ma film incumbi thina buka but sihlula nje linye nje litawumela nje siwazi ukuthi hayi kulomnyaka 2025 naku lesukushuthile so bengifisile mani ukuthi sifiso sami ukuthi nathi la kangwane nasingaba nalomdlandla loyo because bengitshela ukuthi yabona lokhu sebabonile ukuthi okay eMaswati can act bengithi mhlawumbe kutaba nelishinjo bathi hayi man nathi astakheleni kwethu asendeni in yabona so but hey it is what it is but siyathemba ukuthi utahamba kulunge kancane sitayincenga
ayincenga mani ngalokuthi kuyinkinga ngoba you are a role model to a lot of people. You are a role model now. Not only you are big, bro. Nyalo, you are big now. Now you are big. Shailembe is huge, bro. Mina ngivanga ukuthi guys Guys, ngivanzi lokho sikuthathela phansi lokho sihleli naye la. Shaka ilembe.
Hayi Shaka Lembe inkulu
It's
kahle.
huge, bro. It's the hugest production lephumile this year.
yeah,
Solo nje aphuma eSouth Africa kude le info leke yaphuma
kude
le Shaka.
Shaka Lembe yayishe.
In terms of budget, equipment, production, nemanga yini guys, nishuthi movie. So for you to make it kule production wonke muntu kunema artists kunema actors ase South Africa la audition for sure la kune spirit nakhona la Swati wavitsitile.
Yeah.
So it's huge. Cha lokho nje mina ke kimvelo huge. Ngifuna ke nyalo kwathi lokuthi as umuntu lo so huge lona influence, a lot of people look up to you. Now what's your advice to the younger people that want to venture into acting, but maybe now one of my challenges, but they'll book the podcast, but we're like, I want to be an actor. But logo kalangisho ayanda is the light at the end of the tunnel. Utsini kulabantu labakanjalo. Labafuna nabo lento laba good nabo noma ngishito sangeke sende interview so.
Yeah,
sinabo badlali bebhola, sinabo ama content creator, kwana bafuna kuba act and ba good at it.
Yeah.
Is the light at the end of the tunnel noma my brother?
Hayi yabona mina ngibelieve ukuthi into nawuyifuna you just go for it. No matter ukuthi kulukhunkwani kanjani njani uyabona. Ngithi mina kulabo labafisile, labafuna ke labathi nabo nami one day ngiyafisa kuba iactor njani njani. Nami ngithi hayi konza kulento loyifunako, cala nje namuhla, cala namuhla ulandzele iphupho lakho uyabona. But kuna but lapho usenda leliphupho lakho vele because angifuni ukukhohlisa yabona lana na ungathi ufocus ekutheni kuphela ungalamba banele ngiyakutshela ungalamba ngiyakutshela sekhaya kithi bangaqoqosha bathi hey siro sondla wena athile wena futhi imali mhlawumbe itawungena kanye ngeminyaka nayo imadlana nje nawo phela kumele ugcoke binze nasemdizini batafuna ukuthi akuthenge kudla uholile yabona ngento yabo so mina ngathi na usa actor ube wenta something eceleni angathi manje ngaba yini or business or something lo tatphilisa ngako because nani kule game lena kusilula akusilula kule game lena mina banele ngakutshela ukuthi namanje nje ngiyaphusha because lento ngiyayithanza ngifuni ukuthi ngiyekele into ngigijimisa imali bese kugcineni ngiyatsola ukuthi athi manje ngayekele into lengiyithandzako manje ngenxa yemali mina ngile ngatshela wona banele ukuthi ngamane ngife ngihlupheka but inhlitiyo yami emhlabeni nangihambe ngijabulile ngendlela ngifuna kusenhlitweni yami kukahle.
Shout out, my brother. Tough decision.
Yeah,
Trust me, from a creative, it's very tough, my brother. But it is what it is, my brother. It is what it is.
Yeah, stayincenga banini khuleka kancane. Nawubuka nakubomakhelwane bethu akuzange kuvele kube njena nake. Labo bacala na ungalandzelela laba bangakutshela ukuthi yena nakithi bengase. So ngeke kuvele kithi nje qhamuke into bha kanjalo tibelule.
Uthi ex-lebuyile seyibona ilembe. Kuthi ex-lebuyile ngeke ngabe kwayishaya kahle ngabe kwa-act kahle. Ukuthi ikholeke yangena nje. Weva bathi na I'm just checking on you.
Hayi angathi ke lapho banene angathi.
Guys nomntwana ubaleka nenzaba lona. Bakhona labake bakushayela.
Angathi kuma ex banene man. But
okay, khona lokho amtfola from the role.
Banela umi manje.
Good.
Okay ngidakutshela wona bani ngifuna ukuthi hey.
Ufuna ukungitshelani? Mamhlebela.
Nayi asenga.
Ayine relationship nyalo.
Hayi nani nyalo nje. I'm single. And ngigrand lapho I'm single.
Awubukele camera kahle ngathi uyashafa uthi usingile. Kwamlo phiko abangeke ube ngishaya ilembe.
Ngiyakutshela bani.
Ubuya nemali still usingile.
Banele yabona man awona.
No queen.
Hayi nani banele. Ngizafuna ukufocus manje kuse. Nakufocus.
Wayidla nabani le mali before I blew it. No ungasitsheli deep down. Just like tihloko njengoba ushito uthatha inze ekhaya wendani.
Ya ngedlela abantu basendlini.
No girl.
Yeah, no girl. No.
Yeah, asinemali guys, ngicela ngilungise a question nanayo before we wrap up ne. But one more question before I let you leave, my brother. Your biggest highlight of the whole movie, whole production. Biggest highlight, something that you hold dearly enhlitweni yakho lotakusho ukuthi say yeah bona noma ngabe kuthiwani this is the highlight of my career. Noma ngabe sekuthiwa ngangidlula emhlabeni but le ngubonile kule production ya Sharilembe noma kusebenza khona what's one moment that maybe you cherish forever?
Eish. Kukusethi man, kukusethi bengihleli na wise man. Besenta nje sethi khona le sinethu besemlilweni khona tazathi uyadudula and stuff. So lokuba ne conversation naye siqoqe mina kimi kwasho lokukhulu kimi yabo because lo muntu lona bengumuntu engihlala ngombukela ku TV ngingacabanga shona ngalinye ilanga ukuthi ndake ngibe naye kusethi so ukucoca naye siqoqe naye nje abe ladvute kwami hayi kimi vele i-moment lengingize ngikhohle kakhulu kumbukela nje ladvute kwami sicoce hayi ngajabula kakhulu
Kwacobeka stamp.
Step siphi manje?
No, phela stamp sokuthi nama I'm inside.
Oh yeah.
Now
I'm inside.
Usocabanga sipho wena?
Hayi.
Top 3 actors la kaNgwane. Your favorite actors la kaNgwane. Top 3.
Hayi.
Mani ke. You will also give us top 3 upcoming. Lo vangata potential you should look out for. Taba ingiya ke naso ta uname umuntu lotshela so inside this ganon tamne mangala upcoming akabe next. But top 3.
Top 3.
Yeah, your best actors. kaNgwane so that we put them on.
Okay, kaNgwane le ngibuke kuye wekucala. Themnkosi Mthetho. Qangizwa manje Themnkosi. Yeah. Was 2 le ngibuke kuye. Ngisamkile Dlamini. Matalatala lo dlala ya matalatala yes. Yabo ke le 3 man ngiyala baseba man ba
khulileka nabe sona 2 more kahle wena sekosa scheme seshe munye
sekosa scheme seshe munye
tamchikja ngale upcoming so tasivusa khona
eish
ish nay yajuluka le ndvodza hayi top 3 bhuti top 3 hayi top 3
Ngombe man. Gift shongwe. Yeah. 3 so phelile.
3 so
yeah ngilabo lengibuke kibo for now la kaNgwane lengibuke kibo baningi but sokuthi ushitenge
yeah ukahle la ku 3
yes
ibambe lapho ku 3 nyalo ke who should you look out for lo vangathi beta kahle kule production lo babonile maybe lo vangathi beta kahle sibabuke top 3 upcoming actors noma actresses. That's what you say most if it's the lady.
Oh, actresses now.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, yaqala. Khona nomfana wasembabani bathi ngibani lo? Sethumanana, alo mfana uTakabi lo. Takabi lo mfana. Bese kuba khona lelinye iboya lambabane bathi ngibani? Hallelujah Taylor.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, bathi hallelujah Taylor. Bekakhona kule nangijanisa yamahlaba district kid. So hayi naye uTakabi. Bese kuba na Boy Masina. Naye wakhona ngala kumanzini Boy Masina no betakabi kakhulu nangibuka le banale potential futhi yabo cause phela lo munye ngathi uya actor but uhlele ekhaya yabona.
But where are the ladies? You named 6 guys. Where are the ladies?
Eish mantombazana yabona ngiyangona mangane akhona kona yabona nje khona nje nakule movie ya supposed le Khumbini akhona mantombazana.
Oh, you don't know their names.
Yangwada amagama yes.
Okay.
So that's why ngithi lama-gents ngikhulume ngalama-gents ama-cherish
uqale wathi utitsheri sithi name intombatana awukhona ema-signs network leader kuphi
awube banele manje ngema-cherish awube ngiyaba nansi yonke into bekufaka ama-cherish kusasa kimi manje
hayi ngisuke ngibuda noma nokwacitha indvodza iphila ngani angeke yaphila ngezinkwa kuphela but guys before we let him leave, do you have any questions that you'd like to ask?
I hope my story. Okay, so looking at the fact that what you saw here from a big production company,
Do you think utawuvakala kule mic?
Yeah, cool. Have you seen any growth in the fan base now, especially on social media? Because it's kind of an impact. Like from Musuwaji down here, they're coming back. Have you seen growth of fan base now? Or have you? I want to
ya ngiyakuva hayi ikhona kakhulu because ama-message lengiwa-receivile bengithola ama-message from even outside the country kubo Nigeria three nje, there's a girl na-two guy from
Oh, at
Nigeria.
least. Whew.
From Nigeria basho ukuthi hayi sibukele and yabona lapha awuka-act kuphela but kukhulu okwendile nqumbi even nase-South Africa kakhulu e-South Africa but nala kangwane akusafani nje ngakucala ngile ngakusho akusafani kodwa nyalo nje angisayi isitolo kube bethu umuntu lo kungabozuka mthimba uthi hey Shaka yabo bangibita ngashaka phela mina ngisina Shaka hey Shaka uyabona hey ilembe yabona kanjalo ishaka so yeah i-fan base seyinconywana mani kunakucala even ngisho kubo social media platforms labo Facebook, Instagram, TikTok sengcono so yabona nona ufocus Vomba sisafani njengama likes akuqala yabo sekathi qaqa kusho ngithi hayi bantu balandzela ma followers ma friend request yabo uthi okay even my message nje nakudlala le episode yami le episode 2 hayi my message sengiyabona ukuthi ama celebrity akasiphendule ngani hayi ngiyafakishelana lapha kuma inbox sengiyabona ukuthi akasiphendule ngani but nje no lishintsho liningi kakhulu lengilibonile liningi kakhulu lishintsho nebantu nje kuthi sebafike bashutha nawe yabo kusho lokukhulu lokumile selongacala actor bekodwa umuntu ofuna ukushutha nami but after ishaka ilembe cumbe abantu besifuna ukushutha nami cumbe banakuphumile maybe ngibomanzini siyobukela ibhola hey somhlolo hey angakubulala ishaka yabo ba comment ngisho angashuthi nami angakubulala ishaka sifuna ukubukela yabo into lenjalo so yeah ase akusafani njengaqala
I home will always be home, guys.
awulada
I get what you're talking about because nami kule podcast and kuba nenvoyelo yendako bantu bayakhumbula ngayo forever mina nje people and they see me I know umngane mfundisi umngane mejafi all the time ngabathi guys I have a lot of episodes episode is young episode 80 kwale abachaza nje abantu abahlala bakubita ngakuthi ini you see what can we expect now sijele season 3 what's next for Ayanda?
anyalo uyabona ngifuna ucambe manga kudry ngilendvule ngishilo phela ukuthi ubuye uyabona uqhamuka lithi uqhamuna lo mfuthu nje kuzofuna kusebenza but awusebenza kuphi nabo bani ngabo cause phela mina ngishutha ngisi-writer
try agencies try going to South Africa and having these agencies batshela ukuthi wenteni
yeah
kubuya lana sek-out kwakho you know that kubuya kwakho la
manje ke banelila ilapho lengiye ngiyabona kwezi songa ngithi simaswathi sifise ke South Africa le industry ethu la ngwane itawukhula nini ngani kona ngiyakubona lokho cause lapho sokucabangela nesisu sakho yabona
but ngeke uzuyikhulisa uwabile that's an unfortunate part because uphume for some time get whatever you want to get the knowledge the money the equipment expertise whatever so that toqhamukala naso uplifta ngoba kudoktor uplift usehlala nathi njengoba usho umnyaka uphelile solokuthi no
and futhi akusilula noma ngabe uyafuna lokho yona bani akusilula utafike uhlale kubani leni urente ngani udleni yabo mina bakhona amajita le bengishutha nakhona nje guy from Mpumalanga engadibana naye khona lekushaga ilembe wathi kusezwakala bangithuba
so you make a way now you said this thing labathi nyalo i-cloud. Now you have clouds, bro. Now you have cloud. Not kamuga uti ngishaka ilembe. You've been there, and the people know you. You'll tell them to say, "I wanna crash here." Maybe for a week you get an agent, yana. No matter when they my aids, whatever. Trust me. Yeah,
hey manje banele nana akusilula
Sithembe wena nyalo there's no backing down nyalo sithembe wena nyalo
sitayibamba kancane kutawubonakala khona endleleni because utawuhlalana utawurenta ngalena ungeyobantu babhizi baphe kondla wena
lalela wena will make a plan umjita semangozeni nanga umjita yabuda la lona wa actor ku advert lona bambhadala 6,000 for advert asandla ku South Africa
But ngoba ngazi into lena sita ngithi sibe lela kangwayo leta ukuna zeta ama actors So bangabe sikhuluma ngenzaba yokuthi nje mhlambe njengoba ukhuluma nje ukuthi ukhala ngenzaba yokuthi eSouth Africa awakho uzodabana kubani.
Yes.
If kungaba ne-agency le nto lo bana kanjani dawukhona ukuthi khona ukurepresenta ngale
Ooh, that's smart.
Yeah, uyabona ke.
avoid ukuthi umuntu astress ngalena afike nje sekasonta ukuthi I think ama-auditions kanje abafune baswade basuka so let it all it's possible it's just that ukuthi
Yes.
kuba nemabhizi
Nemabhifu elide. Kungiloko uyabona kube vele nje simaswathi sihlangene.
Sorry my brother, ngicela ukuphinza le question in case bangayiva ngoba ngathi bayangavakali. Uthi loja. Yena it's not a question kahle suggestion ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi nasingahlangana simaswati as creatives as ama actors sibe ne agency letawukhona ukuthi sibe ne link ukuthi vele nanku sonke sila yona ke le agent tasehamba iyo se represent sifunela ama gig bo South Africa maybe let's say kuyacasta inise kuvele kucalwa ngalaba labalana ukuthi ngoba vese sihlangene simaswati wase uyachubeka wase kuye kwemabhifu ke engathi bese yipersonal
Uye kwemabhifu.
ubhifa nabani mina ethu ncesi response I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, i-idea lenhle leyo man. Yabona nasingabambisana kanjalo maybe kungaba neminyakado uthide yabona. Ina idea lenhle leyo vele. Lokho siyakufisa lokho because yabona lokho ekhamba bayasho man bathi emaswati inkumbi eSouth Africa yahlupheka asuka lana athi uphanda eSouth Africa akusilula ngema-actors akhona ngale banele labantu nabo bafuna ku-actor nabafuna ngeli bakhona ngale South Africa nawe uyachubeka utongeti kona asisho ukuthi ungayi kuzama inhlanhla hamba uzama inhlanhla but nje ukwati lokho ukuthi ngeke kube lula angeke kube lula ngeke
Nothing will ever be easy.
Yeah,
bro.
ngeke
But where would you rather suffer? Tell me. Where would you rather suffer?
ngibona usafa ekhaya yabona ekhaya uyathi ukuthi ekuseni nani ngiklist nangishayiza ngidawona ngale utawuya kubani ngale
No, but then it depends on the hustling mentality ebantu.
yeah
Nekuthi the strategy but there are many ways of killing a cat.
yeah
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Ngoba nothing is no one I had a chat with Penuel the Black Pen on the podcast. Washo wathi egcina konke yena into I realizile ngempilo is that no one knows what they are doing. Siyenda nje. But tin for bese tiyahlangana. Thina the only thing we can do is to do. Sifakele action. You can't then say ngoba ungibanele wenda naku. Ku guaranteed 100% sure ukuthi kutawuchuma ngale formula loyisebenzisako. You see what I mean?
yeah
So I think at the end of the day,
yeah
there's no formula to this thing.
yeah sonke siyafisa
But you can prepare.
yeah
Preparation is key.
it's key
Okay? Aw, shaka kuyodla.
I got a question
Guys, that's what I understand guys uzobukela uzofika njani lana ungasubscribe. Subscribe guys, hit the notification button, most importantly comment. Make sure you subscribe to the biggest YouTube channel. Shout out to Clary Store, my brother. Emagama ekugcina. Maybe lo nawo. So share now what's the story?
hayi ngifuna ngicale ngibongela Mr Makhanya Sandile Makhanya yeah hayi you know wasinaka kakhulu nisongomnyama hamba nathi indlela yonke nje beka nathi yabona shayela yabona nakusimele sigibele siye South Africa from imoto etasilanze emakhaya even usho singale beka sinaka like so ngifuna kubonga yena ne team yakhe Choice na TK so I know basebenza kakhulu ngifuna kubabonga kakhulu ngithi hayi siyabonga imphatho beyinhle mnanzi kakhulu so emagama ekugcina usemagama ekugcina nani kojana
No, something that you'd like to say mhlambe lesishiyile. Singalivali ihlelo.
yini ngishile man
Anything, it can be anything. Noma ngabe now right phela siyayigoqa thina siyishaya sihamba thina now right. Akudinge you are not forced to say anything. But thina ke ngazivele thina sahle.
oh yeah okay kukhona nakule ngukhohliwe man ni yadla nini koJeshaka isishaka season 1 last 2023 yini nangaphosisi yeah yathi nayidlala ishaka inangijonisa season 1 because hey lento lena manje ngicabanga ukuthi mina maybe vele beka into lena lebeyidalelwe mina umdala ayikhonconise kimi because bantu bebangibita ngashaka yabo bathi shaka sadlala season 1 ye shaka ngisengaveli ngibabuta yini nje bathi hayi kusecishe ufanele mjito udlala shaka le mohangitsi hayi nyalo ke nyalo ngisafana isengashintsha nje bathi hayi kusecishe ufane naye kusecishe ufane naye njani nabo bani uthi shaka. And one day siyajima busha ngacala lapho uyibukela kuva kuthini umuntu lofana nami yabo bona vele bengigatsile because bengina wise man ngube lapho nakuna wise man yonke into nani ngayibukela noma ngabe ibhora one but nakuna wise man hayi. So siyajima nemjita wami siyajima ngithi kuye manje ekuse ngijimela ngena kushaka season 2 next year siyadlala yabo usede nale uthi angicabangi nethi nje ngangena kushaka siyadlala siyajima so lonke ubokile ukuthi umlomo yadala uyabona nabathi umlomo yadala ngaze ngikhumbula ingoma yazeshi nje nathi yayibona ke imvulo okhuluma ngemlomo yabo umlomo yadala njanja ngithi hayi baqinisile seshi bekaqinisile lo wakha lesisho leso bekaqinisile umlomo yadala
500 billion
hayi
I receive 500 billion
angeke phela uyabona thina so umlomo yadala ekuse so hey ngangena kushaka ilembe ngendvule ngakhuluma nje kudlala but bo namhla ngikushaka ilembe so lesisho ukuthi umlomo yadala ngiyasihlonile
sesimemetela umfati nyalo bhuti utodla naye imali eshaya ilembe hayi lokuthi uyavu
hayi ibafata say
listen my brother we truly appreciate ukuthi ushayile around like what's the story thina we are here to give you your flowers in as much as nathi sisete longanani but sisite nje ukutokutshela ukuthi siyakubona umsebenzi muhle uyancomeka bangashaya ngathi ababoni but thina siyakubona siyakuvuma futhi nekuthi hayi umsebenzi sawuvuma uyancomeka siyabonga kakhulu usivashele kwase story